Writing a thesis statement. When you are writing a thesis statement, there has to be some type of argument, some where you can say you agree with something or you disagree with something. So an argument is surrounded by a question or discussion with two or more viewpoints. So there has to be two choices. It's not a straight answer. So you can't argue that 2 plus 2 equals 5 because that's just not true. That there's only one answer. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And there's no argument there. So in order to have an argument, it has to be something with two sides, at least. An argument must be something that isn't proven to be fact. There may be facts to support your answer, but it's not an absolute right or wrong answer. But different facts may represent both sides in a thesis as to why each side could be valid. An argument is an educated discussion with opposing and varying viewpoints. So you are able to have a conversation with someone that may disagree with what your thoughts are because there could be multiple views. Educated discussion means that you have to have evidence to prove your thinking. Here's a quick question. Which of the following is a real argument? Something that fits all three of those bullet points. Number 1, too much sugar will negatively impact your health. Number 2, school should start later in the day. 3, Barack Obama was the 44th president of the United States. Which one can you argue? Okay, I hope you guessed number 2. School should start later in the day. There is multiple sides to this. You can say, yes, it should start earlier. Or you could say, no, it should start later. It fits all three of those bullet points from the other slide. There is an argument with two or more viewpoints. An argument has facts. There's facts that can represent both sides of the thesis. So I can find evidence to say, yes, it should start later, or no, it should start earlier. And then you can find valid reasons why each side could be right. An argument is an educated discussion with opposing and varying viewpoints. So all three of those bullets, it's yes, that makes a statement that can be argued. What is the claim? What is the thesis? A thesis statement equals claims and 3 reasons. And I'm going to include another piece here. It is a topic plus claim plus 3 reasons. A claim is a strict stance or point of view on an argument topic. A claim is, this is my answer. You can't change, you can't wiggle around and go, well, maybe it's not wishy-washy. It is, this is my answer. A claim is usually validated by 3 or more reasons, creating a thesis statement, just like we did with the American Revolution. You had your claim and 2 reasons why it happened. A thesis is defined as a statement which makes a claim supported by valid evidence. So a thesis is a statement that makes a claim and gives evidence. A thesis statement is very similar. It may be composed of a single parallel sentence or 3 separate sentences. So your thesis statement has to have a topic, has to have a claim, and has to have 3 reasons. Here's a quiz. Which is a claim? Remember what a claim is. Number 1, snow is made from water. Number 2, oranges are orange. Number 3, minimum wage should be increased nationwide. Which one is a claim? The correct answer is minimum wage should be increased nationwide. Why is this a claim? It takes a strict stance on an arguable topic. And this is a topic that's talked about all the time. Should minimum wage be increased? Some people say no, some people say yes. And then they have valid reasons why both of them think they're right. Next, reasons for your claim. So you have a topic, whatever your topic may be. Claim plus your reasons equals a thesis statement. Reasons must be in direct support of a claim. So if I want to give you a reason why something that my answer is correct, I have to say because this reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3. Reasons should be parallel or aligned with one another. So you're not going to have go off on some tangent about something totally different. It has to be something similar. A thesis statement traditionally contains a claim plus 3 reasons. Now, when we did the American Revolution, we only did 2, but typically it's 3. When coming up with reasons to support a claim, it's best to order them in varying levels of strength. So reason number 1 should be a pretty strong one, but not the strongest. Reason 2 is the weaker of all the reasons. So maybe that doesn't have scientific evidence. Maybe it may have a statistic of what people's opinions are. Reason number 3 is your strongest. Maybe that's where you get all your scientific evidence. Why would the strongest reason come last in a thesis statement? Answer the question. Why do you think it would be the last one? Why would the strongest reason come last in the thesis? Because by saving the strongest reason for the end, you're allowing your reader to leave with a powerful feeling of justification as to why your thesis is true. This gives them a reason why. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's why it's save the best for last slogan, because it leaves the reader, leave them with like a bang. Let's look at some thesis statements. Topic sentence or topic question. So the topic is talking about PE. Should PE be a requirement for high school graduation? So, thesis statement. PE, my topic, should be required for high school graduation. So here in PE, I have my topic. My topic should be required for high school. Here's my claim. Should be required for high school graduation. My 3 reasons. Because if combats childhood obesity, reason number 1. I'll highlight that. It gives students an opportunity to expend energy throughout the school day. Reason number 3. Reason number 2. Reason number 4, it promotes a healthy lifestyle that can be taken into adulthood. So I have right there, I have my topic, PE. My claim should be a requirement for high school graduation. Then I have reason number 1. It combats childhood obesity. Reason number 2, it gives students an opportunity to expend energy throughout the school day. And number 3, it promotes a healthy lifestyle they can take into adulthood. What part of this statement is the claim? The correct answer. Which part of the thesis statement is the claim? PE should be required for high school graduation. It's really the claim part is should be a requirement for high school graduation. PE is the topic. It is a solid stance and an argumentative topic question. In this example thesis statement, you can analyze the level of strength and the writer's reasoning based on the order they presented the reasons. So we have the PE, which is the topic, should be required for high school graduation because that's my claim. The least strongest reason, it combats childhood obesity. So that one's not a super strong, but it's a strong one. It gives students an opportunity to expend energy throughout the school day. That's not the strongest one. That one you're not going to find, scientific evidence to back that up as easily as you will with the other two. Then the strongest, remember, best for last, it promotes a healthy lifestyle they can take into adulthood. Now it's time to write a practice thesis statement. The topic is, should schools sell sugary foods such as soda, candy, and ice cream in the lunchroom? Obviously, there are at least 2 sides to this argument. So it is a debatable question. So pick a side and take a stance by writing out a claim plus 3 reasons. You need to include the topic, school lunches, or schools having sugary foods. And then you're going to type in your answer. Using your prior knowledge from class, compose a thesis statement using this formula. Topic, claim, 3 reasons, then you have your thesis statement, such as schools should sell sugary foods such as soda, candy, and ice cream in the lunchroom because. Or schools should not sell sugary foods such as soda, candy, and ice cream in the lunchroom because. You are picking one or the second one. Topic, claim, 3 reasons, thesis statement. Here are possible reasons. So these could be valid reasons. You pick. Here's the should reasons, should not reasons.